This is one thing I love about Tennessee, driving down an old road and hanging out with an old friend. Say hey.
Hey,
Tell them who you are.
I'm Ollie Bennettfield.
And where do you live?
I live at Dale Road.
And we left Dale Road. We're going to, where we going?
Post office.
We're going to post.
Hey.
And we're going to post office, and we're going to Walmart. No tell where else we're going to go. But I want everybody to meet my buddy.
And going to get Mr. Bennett Taft barbecue plate.
Ooh, gonna get some Taft barbecue. I'm gonna get me some too, if that's okay.
Yeah. Oh, they got a good plate.
Do they really? What's the name of it?
Yep.
You know, I've heard about some barbecue place in Taft.
Yeah. It's old friend that put it up to Lorraine and her sister, Graham. And they give you can get a barbecue plate, and I think you can get barbecue ribs and about any kind of barbecue you want to eat.
So you've been talking about this for a while. I'm excited about going out there and getting it.
Judy.
Well, we gonna go. Won't
Judy
everybody?
Cole and Lorraine Graham.
So we gonna go see Judy and Lorraine. We going to barbecue.
Yeah.
Now, everybody, I want y'all to meet my buddy.
They was my sister-in-law's cousin.
I know
She
that.
used to go see them about every 2 weeks.
Really?
Once a month, go eat dinner with them.
Really?
And I'd go with Jim and them and me and the kids to get out and play.
When was this?
Oh, I was about 10 years old.
Was that a couple weeks ago?
Yeah. Yeah, I wish it was.
It ain't a beautiful country out here.
Yeah.
I tell you, that's one thing I love about being in Tennessee.
Yeah.
It's just beautiful. All right, folks, well, we're out of here. Want y'all to meet my buddy. We gotta go get some barbecue. Mr. Bedingfield's going to have dinner in the dining car.
Yeah.
If you got a roll, he's set up. You can have a little dinner in the back. All right, there you go. Got his barbecue.